Hello and welcome to this week's Market Minute. It was a phenomenal week last week with all the indices up strongly for the week. However, it came with some interesting news. We almost had a government shutdown with the debt ceiling being hit. We have earnings season with a lot of questions, doubts, concerns going on. We have a labor market where employers are having a really hard time struggling to hire good quality people or even people at all. Some businesses struggling to stay open or open for full hours. But with that, as I mentioned, we'll take a look. All the indices were up anywhere from 1.5 to 2.25%, with the NASDAQ being in the lead at 2.18. Our managed growth portfolio was up about 2.25 for the week. Today, I want to talk to you about something a little bit different. We've been talking to you a lot about our tactical strategies, about our all-weather scoring, about when to be aggressive, when to be conservative, how we use artificial intelligence and relative strength, all these unique and interesting ways of managing money. Today, I want to talk to you about kind of our status quo, our growth portfolios. First, our equity income portfolio, which is really our just blue chip Dow stocks, good quality dividend paying stocks that tend to stand the test of time, historically raise their dividend regularly. These are stocks like Home Depot, McDonald's, Lilly, Hershey's, companies that we know we can rely on over time. About 20% of the portfolio is a Dow Jones ETF. We use that as ballast for the portfolio to balance things out. The other 80% is made up of 20 individual stocks, one of two portfolios that we use individual stocks in. Our other growth portfolios are managed growth, a little bit more aggressive. For years, we actually tried to beat the S&P 500. We found we were getting about S&P performance for all the extra effort. So instead, we decided to go to an index based on this. We use 4 ETFs, exchange traded funds, that look like the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ. And really our objective here is to meet the S&P 500 net of our fees. As you can see, up a little bit over 20% for the year. So great week, great year. We're going to try to keep the good news coming. All weather score is still 40 out of 40. Give us a call if you have any questions. Check out the website, wealthep.com. We appreciate you and thank you and see you next week.